to my house upstairs. Hurry up! So this is my house. So let me change the wallpaper. So sticky box, lots of them. That's better. Too many sticky box. Sticky box. Okay, that's fine now. I have one. So this is me. My beautiful plants should be stay not that here. And my chippies belong to my chip and eat that thing. Is that a box? Go away, box. So this belong to here. We got a DIY. And some beach. Beautiful plants. Some bags are here. And here. We got all of our money. Wait a minute. Open it. Hey! Are you kidding me? Bags are here. We forgot the DIY! Oh my god! It left from the store. Okay, so